Do you ever wonder why some people say, don't put all your eggs in one basket? When it comes to your money, that advice could be a lifesaver. Hi there. Today, we're talking about diversification, a term that might sound fancy, but it's really just a smart way to protect your hard-earned money. For many Americans, one wrong financial move can lead to sleepless nights. Whether you're saving for a home, college, or retirement, diversification helps keep your finances steady, even when the markets aren't. So, what is diversification? Think of it like this: imagine you're a farmer, and your livelihood depends on crops. If you only grow apples, a bad apple season could wipe you out. But if you grow apples, oranges, and corn, a bad season for apples might not hurt you as much because oranges and corn could still thrive. The same idea applies to your investments. Instead of putting all your money into one stock or industry, you spread it across different types of investments, like stocks, bonds, real estate, or even savings accounts. This way, if one area takes a hit, the rest can help balance things out. Here's an example many Americans can relate to. Let's say you invest in a tech company because it's booming. That's great until a sudden drop in the tech industry causes the stock to lose value. If you also invested in things like healthcare or energy, those investments might perform well and cushion the blow. Diversification works because not all investments rise and fall at the same time. Some might do well while others struggle. By spreading out your risk, you're less likely to lose big all at once. And diversification isn't just for stocks. You can diversify within your 401k, retirement accounts, or even by owning a mix of physical assets, like real estate or commodities. The goal is to create a financial safety net so that no single loss hits too hard. To sum it up, diversification is like financial insurance. It doesn't guarantee you'll always win, but it helps you avoid losing everything in one go. So, the next time you're making financial decisions, think about how to spread your risk wisely. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments how you're diversifying your investments. Let's grow your financial future together.